Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Friends, in this class, we are going to deal with an incident of attack on a judicial magistrate. So, nobody is free in the society. The attacks have become quite common. So, very recently, the 4th JFCM of Salem by name M. Panpodi was allegedly stabbed by an by an office assistant by name Mr. Prakash. He is who just joined the duty. Why this incident happened? After all, the judge or the magistrate, Mr. Panpodi, in the evening, he was looking into the files after the court work was over. This person, Prakash, had recently joined the office as an office assistant. He went into the chamber of the magistrate, whipped out a pen type knife, and actually stabbed him. Of course, the injury was a minor injury. Perplexed by the incident, the magistrate called for help, and incidentally, the other staff came to the rescue of the magistrate. They shifted him to the nearby hospital. Of course, he received only minor injuries. But the incident is very, very serious. That is the thing we have to do. So, is it not misconduct on the part of the employee? Is it not posing a threat to the security of the judges? These points we have to take into consideration. That's why I've been telling you, please remember, the bar and bench relations should be there. And at the same time, you should maintain good relations with the judges as well as the judiciary. Judiciary includes the bench clerks or the staff of the court also. Maybe about 1 or 2 months back, I have made a video regarding a president of Bar Association in South Tamil Nadu, where he outraged or he attempted to outrage the modesty of a woman clerk. Then she informed the matter to the Bar Association, but since he himself is the Bar Association president, no action was taken. Ultimately, she was transferred to some other place at her request, and when the matter came to the notice of the judge, district judge, he got an inquiry conducted and later action was taken against the advocate basing on the statement of the woman. In that case also I told you, the woman stated that the incident is fact but she doesn't want any action because that fellow belongs to some other community or something like that. So things are happening. Here it poses an important question. The question is, where is the security to the judges? After all, they do not have any personal grudges. The reason which we came to know is because of he argued on Tuesday it happened, that is just today is Thursday, that is on Tuesday means maybe on that is first Shivratri day it happened. So this court is located in Hastampatti area. So this Prakash had an argument with the judge regarding his repeated transfers. Of course, what is that he can do, this judge can do. So, you have been transferring me from, I have to move from pillar to post like that, you might have picked up an argument. So, now the question, the thrust is on the security of the judges. You may be knowing about, it is another reminder of the issue relating to the inadequate security of the judges. Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana, already took up the matter as a suo motu when the incident in Rohini Court Complex, where the gangsters took to war in the Rohini Court Complex, where 4 persons were dead and so much of chaos has been created in the court complex. Likewise, I think another incident, a minor explosion has taken place in court room in Rohini complex also. So the Supreme Court initiated suo motu case to address the issue of security of the case courts and judges. So why at that time, with another incident, following the incident of killing of a Dhanbad judge, it happened in Jharkhand, I believe. So what happened? This man was going for a morning walk. So a speeding auto rickshaw, it came, they killed him and they ran away. Maybe hit and run case, whatever it is. So this all poses a security threat to the judges also. And the inner feelings, better feelings, but that's why the staff also should be looked after properly. So if there are any grievances, definitely the judges have to look into the grievance of the staff also. It happened in the year 2011 in Ongole town itself, when the district judge, Mr. Sekardar was there. So normally the district judge bungalow will be looked after by two or the process servers or some low cadre people. So one man is getting always night duty, other person is always on day duty. So this man has got grouse against the other person. Ultimately on one fine day, this fellow murdered him. The murder took place right in the chambers or in the bungalow of the judge. Of course, he was convicted very recently after 10 years or so. So such things do not repeat. Please remember, such things do not repeat. Number one, the police or the state should take care of the judges. Security of the judges should be the highest priority. No doubt here, his own staff has tried to stab him or malinger with him. It's to some extent it can be, even though not excusable, to some extent it can be considerable. But if some other person comes and attacks or stabs the judge, what happens? So that's why. Go back to our professional ethics cases. So please remember, Inri versus Nandalal Badwani, very famous case. I told you that hurling of shoes, using of abusive words against the judges itself is amounting to misconduct. So misconduct by advocates, here misconduct by the staff. So every type of misconduct shall not be accepted in this civilized society. That too, security should be provided to the judges. Right? With these words, I want to thank you very much. Thank you.